The Barrett 50 caliber is back and it is better than ever, and to be honest with you, it's completely broken. I'm here to give you the best class setup in the most limited amount of time possible, so if you like what you see, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one. Alright guys, getting started here with the underbarrel. We're going straight to the paracord grip. This gives us the fastest sprint to fire speed, ADS time. Moving on to the conversion kit. If you don't have this, you ain't sniping, so don't be silly. Going onto the rear grip, we got the true tack grip. This thing, as you can see, is going to give us a lot of sprint to fire speed, a lot of ADS speed. And when we go to the stocks, there's not really a lot of stocks that help with ADS other than the broadside. So, I mean, we're rocking with that. With the laser, we don't even need to tap into this. You guys already know we're rocking with the Razor Hawk. Fastest ADS, sprint to fire. I don't run an optic on this. I mean, you guys can run an optic on this if you choose to. I've gotten used to the normal sights that come with it. It's a little slow, but once you get the hang of it, you get the hang of it. Some homies like to rock this HMW20 optic. Not me though, but if it's for you, or if you find another one in here, all the power to you. Really hope you guys hit some clips with this class. If you do, tag me in them, I want to see. With that being said, guys, I mean, I'm pretty much just going to show you guys some clips I've hit in the last couple of days with this class. Again, hope to see you guys in the next one. Deuces.